welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing a back brace. This is in Chinese, so I cannot tell you what it says because I don't know how to read Chinese. But let's go ahead and get right into this. It does say it's the brand is ZEAMO. It's a back brace for men and women, lower back pain relief. So let's go ahead, open it up and see exactly what it looks like. So this is how it comes boxed. You have your back brace right here. Then you have these right here. I could have probably used this yesterday. I've been sanding down my kids' bed frame. I actually turned 37 the day before yesterday. So my body's, I can tell the difference. I'm not myself. So when I do bend over for too long, like my back almost doesn't want to straighten up. So something like this would have been nice. It does have a user guide that kind of tells you how to use it. So it shows like step-by-step instructions right there. And it's actually quite big. I think it would fit like a more larger person because that seems like really round, like really big. But look at all these like adjustments in the back to where you can adjust the back of it. Like, that's intense. And then it also comes with these right here, which I'm assuming are for like extra, like kind of pinpoints. Yeah, so you can attach it to the inside. You can see the Velcro, and it'll actually like kind of put pressure on special areas. So let's say if you're having lower back pain, you can actually place this right there, and it's going to kind of push in when you put this on and actually help kind of support that area a little more. Let me go ahead and stand up and put this on real quick. I'm just going to put it on over my clothes. So I don't want to take off, like, show my stomach or anything. So pretty much all you would do, you see that little triangle part, you're going to place that in the middle of your back like this. And then you're going to go around like this. Okay, so it looked a lot bigger than what it actually is. I wear like a size, I think I got a small, but I wear a size small in pants, or a size 3 to 4. And you can see if you want extra support, you pull after that and put, there should be one on this side. So same thing, you can pull it and place it like that. And this feels like really, really supportive on the back right now. Like you can see, that's what it looks like. It does feel really, really nice. And you can go as tight as you want. So I definitely recommend this if you are experiencing back pain, because this feels really, really nice. And you don't have to put that. You can put these if you just want extra, like extra cushion. You can actually place these. Now these are different. This one's just like really soft. Maybe if you have it directly on your back and you just want it to feel really nice back there, you can put this one. And they all have these little Velcro pieces in the back. And then this one is kind of like a non-slip, but it also has, you can see these little massaging things. So it puts pressure points, and you can place it this way or this way, depending on what exactly you're wanting. But definitely really nice, and I bet you that would feel amazing on the back. This one feels really good, but like I said, you can do whatever you want. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.